What is going on, guys? This is Angus Davidson 15, and today I'm going to be giving you a full unboxing of this pop-up Bluetooth portable speaker. Now this looks pretty much identical to the XM Mini speaker, however this is nearly a third of the price, as the X Mini Kia is, I believe, £60 on Amazon, where I got this for £15 with free delivery. So let's do an unboxing of it. Okay. Now the box is actually quite nice. It's just simple, and on the top is the cover. On the side, just more info. On the other side, on the back, there's all these specs. So they've got the case material, you've got the speaker units, the lithium-ion battery, which will be rechargeable battery in this, and also some more info about this. Okay, so on the bottom is just this little latch, which pops off, which is quite nice. Okay, and then we've got this like plastic here. Okay, and then some more instructions. That's the side. Okay, and there it is. Okay, so if we take this out, okay, it's a nice design. Got a blue dish in the middle. On the side we've got this mini USB port. We've got the volume control, so we've got the Bluetooth symbol there. We've got the 3.5 jack, and also we've got the on and off button. Okay, and I believe this must be something for like attaching it, so string or whatever you want to, and some more plastic here. Okay, so this is a bit that goes on the bottom. It's just got some plastic in it, but I'm going to get rid of that for meanwhile. Okay, so if we twist this to this side, okay, if I believe that wants to, yeah, and there we go. So of course this will allow bass, because there will be more airflow, and also the air can escape easier, so the bass will be better. However, if you want it to be more portable, you can just do that. Okay, and then twist it. It's a bit sturdy, but that's absolutely fine. Okay, I'll put that to the side. Okay, and then I believe we have the mini USB port, which will be for charging. Yeah. Okay, and then we have the 3.5 jack if you believe that you don't want to use the Bluetooth in case of battery, because of course without Bluetooth and using this will save you some battery. The battery on this with Bluetooth is up to 5 hours, and I think it's 6 for the 3.5 jack. However, that depends on, you know, how loud you're playing it and stuff like that. Okay, so I have now got my iPod, okay, and the speaker, and I've put the microphone literally just above this webcam here. Okay, so you'll be able to hear it quite clearly. So as soon as I turn it on, okay, so I'm just gonna undo this, okay, and here is the on button. Okay, okay, so it plays a little tune. Hopefully you might be able to turn it off. And okay, so that is now on. Okay, so I'm going to try and now connect that. Okay, so I'm going to hold this up here. Okay, that's Bluetooth. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. Okay, so it's already showed the speaker. We're going to tap on that. So while that's connecting, we're going to turn the volume on. Okay, so that's made a little bleep showing it's connected. Okay, so that must be showing that it is full volume. Okay, so we're going to now try and play a song. Okay, if we tap on this, okay, so we go to music. Okay,
when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweep the street. I used to. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing.
Okay, so you can tell the clarity of the speaker is actually quite good. The loudness is absolutely brilliant. For the price of this, is very good. The battery life hopefully should be good, and of course I can connect this with my 3.5 jack if I wish to. So that is it. I'll play some more music in my review. However, I'll do that in the next video. So of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching.